Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at Walgreens for the week. I was able to get all of these items this morning, which is over $100 worth of products for less than $3. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step exactly how I did that. I did some deals online, I did some in the store. I give you scenarios for the hair care deal of spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. I also give you a scenario for using a spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster scenario, as well as a spend $35, get $8 in Walgreens cash paper booster. I am also going to show you pictures of items that I found on clearance at the very end of the video, as well as some additional matchups that are easy deals to do using your earned Walgreens cash. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you're here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. And if you click the little bell, you will get a notification each time I post a video. All right, so let me start with some of what I think are the most simple deals this week, and then I'll work towards those booster scenarios for you. The Crest products this week, the $3 Crest products are buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash. I bought one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste and one of the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $3. I had a $2 digital on the toothbrush, a $1 digital on the toothpaste. So I paid a total of $3, but I earned $4 in Walgreens cash, making them free and a $1 moneymaker. And yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash and still earn Walgreens cash back on these items. I also grabbed another toothpaste moneymaker. The Colgate toothpaste this week are buy two, get a $5 register reward. They're priced at $3.99 each, so that's a total cost of $7.98. But look in your digital coupons because I had a coupon for $4 off, meaning I paid $3.98 at the register, but I got back a $5 register reward, making this free and a $1.02 moneymaker. Another super easy curbside deal you can do is on this Colgate Cavity Protection toothpaste. It's priced at $1.79, but there's a $2 digital, making this item completely free. So it will take off the $1.79 at checkout. Now, there is a coupon code that you can use this week. It is QUICK10. It's going to take 10% off your purchase price on certain items when you do an online order. So I grabbed these Purex laundry detergents. They're on sale 3 for $6. So that's $2 a piece already, which is a great price if this is a product that you like. But the QUICK10 code is also applying here, taking off 60 cents, making it $5.40 for all three of them, or just $1.80 each. Another deal I did using that QUICK10 coupon code was on the razors this week. They're spend $15, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Since this is a spend deal, you would not want to pay with Walgreens cash on this. So I grabbed one of the Schick Hydro razors, and I grabbed one of the Schick Extreme. One is priced at $8.99, the other is priced at $5.99. I had a $3 digital and a $4 digital for these items. I also grabbed one of these Edge shave gels to get me to that $15. They're priced at $2.99, and there's a $1 digital for this one. When I used the code QUICK10, it took off another $1, so I paid $8.98 for all three of these items, and then I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $15, and I got back $1 on Ibotta for the Edge Shave Gel, which is a total of $6 back, making it $2.98 for all three of these items, or just 99 cents each. If you're not already using the Ibotta app, you definitely want to grab it. Use my referral code because you'll get an additional $10 back when you scan your first receipt. I also have a full tutorial on the Ibotta app if you're curious how that app works. Now, another online deal you can do if you did not do it last week, you could do it this week. These are priced at $2.99, the Wet n Wild eyeshadows. There is a $1.50 manufacturer's coupon and a $1.50 store coupon. Those will take off the full price of this, making it completely free. Again, that's a curbside deal, not a deal that you would want to do in the store. Another great deal this week is on these U by Kotex. You want to grab this Super Plus Click tampons, priced at $3.89 each. You want to grab 2 boxes at $3.89. There is a $3 digital coupon. You use that coupon code QUICK10. It's going to take 47 cents off. I paid $4.31. I got back $4 in Walgreens cash for buying 2 boxes, and then I got back 50 cents each on Ibotta for purchasing 2 of these, so that's $1 back on Ibotta, making my final cost free and a 69-cent moneymaker. Now, check your Fetch Rewards app because some people have an offer on Fetch for cash back on these, making it an even better moneymaker. I just didn't have that offer, but still free and a little bit of a moneymaker. While I was in the store, I saw some Revlon clearance products, and this week they are spend $15, get a $5 register reward. So these Revlon Candid foundations were marked down to $5.99, and then the Candid Concealer was marked down to $4.99. I checked my coupons. I had a $9 off 2 coupon, as well as a $3 off 1. So $5.99, $5.99, $4.99, minus 9, minus 3. I paid $4.97 at the register, and I got a $5 register reward back, making it free and a 3-cent moneymaker. So if you're in the store, check and see if your store still has those items on clearance. Now, the body wash. So these are priced at $3.99 each, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get $5 in Walgreens cash. I bought one of the Irish Spring, one of the soft soap, because I had a 50-cent digital for both of them. So after that 50-cent digital, I also did, you could do this as an online deal. I did this in store because I did it as part of a booster scenario, but you could do it online and use that QUICK10 coupon code. Otherwise, you're gonna pay $6.98 and you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. If you use the coupon code, you'll pay $6.28 and get $5 back in Walgreens cash, making them just 64 cents each. But I'm gonna tell you how I combine that in my booster scenario here in just a moment. The hair care deal. It is spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So that's a perfect scenario if you have the spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash booster coupon, because those will stack together. So I grabbed 3 of the Pantenes, priced 3 for $12. There is a $5 digital. I then grabbed 2 of the Head & Shoulders. These are buy one, get one half off. So one is $5.99, the other one's gonna ring $2.99, so that's $8.98 total, and there is a $3 digital. So just buying these items with those coupons, you would pay $12.98, get $5 in Walgreens cash back for the hair care deal, meaning you paid $7.98 for 5 of those products. Now, you could very easily pair that with your spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster if you have it. So instead of getting $5 back, you would get $10 in Walgreens cash, making it a moneymaker. But I did something a little bit different. I also had a paper booster for spend 35, get 8. So this is how I did this deal. I had the spend 35, get $8 in Walgreens cash paper booster. I had the digital booster of spend 20, get 5. I'm purchasing the hair care items that's on a special of spend 20, get 5. I'm purchasing the body washes here, and then I grabbed the Colgate toothpaste. So my total before coupons was $36.94. Okay, I had to get to at least 35. My total after coupons was $23.94. And I did pay that in cash. I didn't use any Walgreens cash. Had I had register rewards, I could have paid down that balance using register rewards. But I paid $23.94. I got back $8 in Walgreens cash for the paper booster, $5 in Walgreens cash for the digital booster, $5 in Walgreens cash for the hair care deal, $5 register reward for the Colgate, and then the $5 in Walgreens cash for the body wash, making it all free and a $4.06 moneymaker. Obviously, there are so many different ways that you could put together different booster scenarios. However it makes sense for you, I just wanted to give you a heads up on how I put it together, on how it made sense for me. If you have questions about any of these deals, please don't hesitate to drop those down in the comments. Like I said, I'm going to show you here on the screens coming up some other easy ways to use Walgreens cash to purchase grocery items this week. So essentially, I'm just looking at the sale ad to see what's on sale and how you could lower your out-of-pocket cost, because a lot of you are asking me for that type of information. Also, after that, you will see pictures of clearance items that I saw while I was in the store. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks. Also, guys, don't forget to submit your receipt to pggoodeveryday.com, because all the Procter & Gamble products that you're purchasing qualify for points back, and then you can redeem those points for different prizes, including gift cards. So I will drop a link to the pggoodeveryday.com website for you. That way you can check into that program if you're not already using it.